Hi guys, welcome back. This is 20 Gaming again. We're another Lost Sword content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel, please consider subscribing. So again, lots of things happening. Paddy's Day, Ireland, lots of stuff that I need to be doing IRL. So I'm back again, giving you guys another update on what's going on in Lost Sword. So currently, right now, what you can see here, right? This was posted a few days ago. This one was posted technically yesterday, not a few days ago. So there might be a possible delay on the upcoming originally scheduled third week of March. Okay, so because of I'm not quite sure if they want to getting approval from Google. So what's written here? So review from the Apple Store is still ongoing and the Google Play Store. So next, what happened was maintenance announcement. It's gonna be dropping now, right? And then it's on the 19th currently right now. Ongoing update maintenance was extended, and then it's extended again. So they were giving us 500 character salmon tickets, diamonds, and pet salmon tickets. Most likely they're gonna be giving us full pulls now. The patch notes which is added and server stabilization. So Yumi is gonna be coming here now. Okay, so I'm really excited for that. Problem is there's another one that they've caught wind on. Lots of things happening here. So, to address the issue where global buff effect or star reincarnation is displayed and applied differently, so they're ordering an issue again. So, another ticket, another diamond. So, that's gonna be one full pull and 1,000 diamond. Lastly, currently we are at the moment we're in. It's still updating. So, now, unscheduled maintenance again to address issues buff effect of star reincarnation differently. So and then freezes up entering 68 to 20, address issue with the buff duration and the time abnormally. So however the abnormal display itself, and then to address the issue where the game is forcibly closes when using Yumi's ultimate skill. So they're using server stabilization. So currently right now it's still not on yet. Okay, so if you go to your content like here, let's go here to your game. Oh, not this game. Not that game. So, currently right now we're still on the update. So, don't worry about it. They're trying to fix stuff. At least they're very communicative compared to the Lost Sword with what's going on with not Lost Sword compared to Silver and Blood on what's going on with their NA servers. And unfortunately, in Snowbreak, at least they're giving us update as well because the devs there on Snowbreak are very communicative, which I do really appreciate. But the problem is, it's been like almost 12 days or more that Snowbreak is not up yet. Comment down below if it's up already. I haven't played Snowbreak in a while. Hopefully they get out of this hole at the moment. This is technically their third hole. They're very strong in getting out of that hole. Hopefully they get out of it. But currently right now we have updates going on. So if you don't play this, you might be playing Star Savior because like Savior just like launch and everybody's like playing that. If you are into a turn-based, almost like Idol-esque, kind of Nikkei-esque but turn-based kind of game. So I do really like the Nikkei mechanic in a way. And then they're telling there's an Uma Musume part wherein you need to train your character. I haven't played Uma Musume yet, so I just wanna see that one. So that's currently the update right now. So comment down below if the update is up already. I want to hear from you guys down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.